Hey guys, I hope you all are fine. You all are welcome to see Cellbulk PW website review. In this video, you all will get to know that whether the website is legit or it is a scam. Guys, this is not our website, so the review is totally unbiased. So let's have the quick review of this homepage. So guys, this is their homepage and these all are their product. So let's check it out their one product. Okay guys, so basically this is a stainless steel coffee drip mug which costs $33.52. Description for this product. Okay guys, let's check it out their menu section. So this is their menu section guys, and there is an option for coffee pot, so you can check it out from here. Also guys, there is an option for my account, so if you have an account for this website, so you can easily log in by using your username and password. And if you don't have your account for this website, so you will have to create it. Okay guys, so let's check it out the about us page. So this is the about us page guys, and they have described about their website. Let's check it out their contact us page. So this is their contact us page guys, and they have described about their ID, calling number, contact person and the office address. Also guys, if you have any queries, so you can fill your name, email address, comment you want to do and send it to them. Let's check it out their returns and exchange page. So this is their return and exchange page guys, and they have described about their return policy. Also they have mentioned the email ID, phone number and the address. Okay, let's check it out their shipping policy. So this is their shipping policy, and they have mentioned that they ship the product within 7 to 10 business days. But guys, as according to shipping policy, the information is very less. Let's check it out their privacy policy. So this is their privacy policy page guys, and they have described about their privacy possibility for their website, like what kind of personal data they use, how they use of it. Let's check it out their terms of services. So guys, this is their terms and condition page, and they have described about their terms and condition for their website. Guys, do share your comment in the comment box below. Also guys, in the last they have provided their contact information like calling number, email ID, contact person and the address. Also they have mentioned in the right corner Facebook, Pinterest and Instagram button. But guys, these all button are fake. If you click on the Facebook button, so you will directly go to the home page from your account. It means that there is no account page for their website on Facebook, and this happened with all the button like Pinterest and Instagram. So this is very bad effect for the website guys. So let's go to the home page. Okay guys, so according to me, this website is possibly a scam as there are very bad reviews on Google. Also guys, this website is not working properly, like Facebook, Instagram and Pinterest button are fake. So as per my concern, replacing and purchasing order from this website is not relevant. So if you like my video, please hit the like button, and if you want to escape from the scam website, so subscribe to this channel. Do share your comment in the comment box below. Share your experience with this website. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much. Bye bye and take care.